Here's a quick review of the Milwaukee Fuel m18 CHIW P12. This is the higher torque 1/2 inch impact wrench with the pin detent rather than the friction ring. I'm only borrowing this. It's come as a skin. I think it was about $460 Australian. Brushless, super powerful 1/2 inch drive, and we'll just test it on a few things. We'll rip the wheels off this trailer. So they're 21mm wheel nut. Totally effortless. It's 10. I'll just switch it to first gear. Which, as you can hear, is a bit slower. As you can hear, first gear still rips to first speed. Still rips them off like nothing. Second's markedly quicker. I'll just grab a bigger socket and we'll try something bigger. Alright, you can see the dust still settling from the first one I've just had a go at. This is a 32mm or 1.25 inch socket. These are 30-year-old truck wheel nuts. That's in clockwise rotation because they're backwards. It's a good way to know that you've freed them up. There's no breaker bars or funny business going on here. This is just an epically powerful 1/2 inch impact wrench. It's got a big header, it's pretty heavy. The anvil's quite solid. Everything's cool. Battery light didn't move once. If you look at the rotation speeds there we go. 1200 RPM and 1700 in respective first and second speeds. Impacts per minute 1700 and 2300 in respective speeds. Not sure about the torque differences. I think first gear's up to 80 Newton meters, something like that. But yeah, I know I should be using an impact socket. I don't have a 32mm one. But yeah, this has definitely got the potential to destroy sockets, no worries at all. I'm quite impressed with the unit. It's very nice. It's heavy, but it's balanced. Like, it's not front heavy or back heavy. They've managed to offset the weight of the anvil and the hammer mechanism in the front with the motor by hanging the motor out the back a long way. which is good. Yeah, it's got a work light in the front, like nearly all Milwaukee tools above the trigger. Simple, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and 2-speed. It's got a point there on both sides for a belt hook. I personally wouldn't be able to hang that off my belt. I reckon that's probably a bit on the heavy side. But that's in saying that, if you were harnessed up or in an EWP or something like that, that probably wouldn't matter so much. Alright, that's it for the fuel impact wrench. I'd definitely recommend buying one if you want something that's super strong, as this one is. Righto, thanks for watching. If you want to know more, if you want me to test it in a different way, drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See ya.